Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Windows 10 build 18845, which is part of the 20H1 development branch and which is slated to release sometime in April 2020. I wanted to say there are lots of features and updates to this build, but there are not. So yes, before saying anything else, I'll just show you the build number or the version number. So here it is. The version number hasn't changed. It is still 1903 and OS build 18845 and I'm running Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so I'll show you the blog post. So this is the blog post. It was build was released on February 28th and as always I'm late. Sorry. And you can see it is 18845 and these are similar features from 18348, which is part of 19H1 development branch and which is about to be finalized and released in April. Okay, so as you can see, Emoji 12.0 update, you can see the same here, Emoji 12.0 update. That's why I didn't make a video regarding this 19H1 build, which is 18348. So here it is, the Emoji 12.0 update. You can access that by pressing Windows key and period or Windows key plus semicolon. So Windows key plus period will give you this, and if I type in anything eyes, or you can see the emojis here, you can use that, and you have this new feature. Let me see, this new cow emoji. Is that what they're saying? Cow emoji. Let me show you the cow emoji thing. Yes, see the cow emoji and symbols and then new thing. I don't know what that is. Let me show you again. Windows period and cow emoji. I don't know what cow emoji is, but you know, it's looking weird. I don't know. This here looks like the from Telugu language, and these are symbols. There aren't any symbols. Why there are no symbols? Yeah, you can see lots of symbols here, math symbols. So all are there, nothing to be disappointed. Instead of using vocabulary, you can use symbols now to represent your feelings and all that shit, but it works. So that is the only change here, and other than that there are no improvements, and there are lots of fixes, so I cannot show you that. So there are issues with this build. If you want to download this build, I'll put a link down in the description. You can watch the video and download using my method, or I'll put a card up here. You can watch that from there also. So that's it guys for this video. Like this video if you liked it, share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, please hit the bell notification icon, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.